kicking off A Zone in California public land. Glassing on a cool morning breeze, there are 690 yards, the first deer of the year. A doe and 2 fawn. We left opening week with little to wonder. Where has all the butt gone? Next week, it was a successful morning. A couple of guys harvested 2x2 nearby running stream. After shooting the 2x2, they couldn't locate the deer, so the whole team went searching for it. But hard work pay off. With the burning hot sun, we all cleaned and cut up every part of the deer, knowing that we will have company at camp. Back at camp, everyone helped out cooking and telling stories.
2x2.
来过闹的哦。
A couple of guys was hunting at the same location, but was not successful. So we invite them to feed with us and enjoy the evening.
去，农村领了，农安去，农安去。
Not knowing what would be offered the next morning. Later the next morning, we were lucky enough that one of our guys harvested a 3x3 buck.
Recording. Record đấy là. Nhớ cho nó sắp cái weekend đó, nhớ cho bé A, và cho nó bé lụt số rồi. Lúc weekend nó cứ nói lúc weekend cứ trong cái bé bỏ lại ô tô nè, đi từ sang bên, đi từ sang bên nè. So, nó cứ có congratulations to Mr. Turner, okay? Guys, good job.
Two weeks after, luck again was on our side. Two of our guys harvest. These bucks were much bigger, but getting to them was much more challenging than of the previous 2 weeks. Until next A season. Team Sniper out.
Nó giờ cái kinh trang là nghỉ nè, còn tới ở sao đi. Ủa